There's a gyrosphere that you can see in Jurassic World and Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Willie's Coupe, that's from the Fate of the Furious. The military vehicles are from the first Transformers, but the Transformers movies are not Universal Films, they're Paramount. Any studio can rent our sound stages or sections of our backlot for filming. Dinosaurs can fit on every car. That's why I have that window. And we're gonna stop to do a very simple weather effect. We're gonna make it rain. It's a really simple special effect. It's done with sprinklers, but there is a problem with the special effect. We run it all day. Every time a tram drives through, we make it rain, but the Mexico set is built on a hill. Over the course of the day, a lot of water builds at the top of the hill, and at one point it all rushes down the hill. And sometimes it hits one of our trams. We are that tram. That's why Al Roker gave us a flash flood warning. So be careful if you're sitting on the left. Enjoy. There's a flood coming. I'm sorry, car number 3. I'm sorry. Car number 1. There it is. If you look at the monitors, I'm going to show you this special effect in a movie. It's a scene from a family comedy, Big Fat Liar. They still want us to be on the beach because there's another shark. There's another shark on the other side of the water. It's pretty big. It's heading right towards us. Look by the boat. There's somebody out there. Mister, this beach is closed. There's a shark swimming towards you. Get out of the water. Mister, are you all right? The shark ate him. Yay! We're driving on a very old dock. Everybody, please remain seated. Something just happened. The shark took the dock. Oh. And the shark went back underwater. I don't see it. Wait a minute. I see it. I have a window. We got attacked by a shark. A great white. Of course, that's inspired by the movie Jaws. Just broke. Oh! Why does that Norman doesn't live alone. He lives with his mother. And you can see Mrs. Bates as we pass by the house. She's sitting in her second floor window watching our tram drive by. That's a handsome woman. Behind the Cycle House, there's a set of a crashed airplane and a destroyed neighborhood that was built for War of the Worlds.
The airplane has a set is perfectly a set that is all designed around a vision that Stephen had.
And for, again, to sit down to talk about War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.